Hello, I am Elena. I am the Partnership Learning Manager for Greece. Hello, Mr. Doukas, and welcome.
Our school is 95 years of history. It was established by my grandfather. It's a school that starts from 4 years old up to 18, with about 2,000 students. And it's a family legacy, trying to give the best in private education in Greece.
Your school is one of the very few schools in Greece where every day about 1,500 students come to school every morning with their laptop and they bring it to class and they actually learn with the use of their laptop.
We have made many innovative actions in the last many years, from foreign languages to IT to whatever. And we realize that the world is changing. Our kids will live in a different world, will work in jobs that not even yet are created. And it's our duty to give them the best competencies in order to achieve their 21st century goals. So we believe that in order to be able for our students to have their knowledge and skills and values and get out in life, that they should have the right tools. And one of the most important tools is the computer, because the computer is an educational tool that can give first of all to the teacher the capability of presenting the whole class experience in a different way, but also it's very close to the real life of the student. Students work with smartphones and tablets, PCs, etc. in their lives, so coming to school without it, it's really awkward for them. So we took this decision and we started 5 years ago by preparing the teachers, because it's the most important part, to have the teachers allies to the whole process. And we prepared the right educational content. We put it in the student PC and also in the teacher PC. And since 4 years now, our students come to school from 4th grade and up, carrying their lightweight bags with their student PC, some papers, some books, and we try to balance between tradition and progress. By measuring the results, we are very happy about it, because we see that we have created a totally different environment. We have changed the methodology in the classroom. Now the school is more creative, more efficient. Kids are happy about it, so the school is more pleasant. It's a pleasant experience. And through certain surveys, we arrived to the result that students learn better also. So being more efficient and preparing our students for the 21st century skills, it's very important in the school life. It's a difficult path to follow. It's very important to have a clear picture of the whole idea from the beginning. So it's very important to have the full target of what you are planning to do clear from the start, to share it with your students, with your teachers, especially with your teachers, and also with the parents, and clarify each year which steps you want to follow in order to create the full picture. So it's like a puzzle. Every year you put piece by piece. It needs time, and it needs also a good system of evaluating the process and fixing the little bugs that you might find on your way.
As you know, there are many governments and school leaders that are thinking about one-to-one computing at this time. What would be your one piece of advice to tell to the school leaders who are thinking about this, but they're not sure if they're going to make the right decision?
Kids go to school and it's like moving for the weekend. So this cannot go on. It's very easy to realize that educational content is more dynamic. It changes very fast. Printed material that were printed 6 months ago or a month or a year ago may be not so correct now. And by moving to a more easy to carry and dynamic tool like the personal computer, like a student PC, it's very logical. So first of all, you just put the content inside. But the most important part is to change the methodology of the classroom, to change the way the school experience arrives to the students. Students have to be more into it, they have to participate in the design of the curriculum, they have to be more active and not just passive listeners to what the teacher is saying from the blackboard. So I would say that if somebody decides to make this move, it's a very reasonable move, needs a very good design of the whole process, and step by step they will see very important achievements from their students, from the teachers, that they will make them very happy about their decision.
Excellent. Thank you very much for your interesting insight.
Thank you for having me here.